Hello, my name is Scott Hutchinson. I'm the state senator and chairman of the Joint Conservation Committee. I want to welcome everyone to this month's Environmental Issues Forum. Today's Environmental Issues Forum combines history with modern day technology, and it has to do with using both to remediate acid mine drainage efficiently and cost effectively. I imagine if I use the word trompe, many of you, especially, unless of course you were a student of history or French, might not know what I'm referring to. But trompe is the French word for trumpet. It also describes a scientific system that dates back to the 16th century and is now being used as part of a passive acid mine drainage treatment system. And that's what our two guest speakers will be here today to describe. Bruce R. Leavitt is a registered professional engineer and a registered professional geologist. For the past 13 years, he's been a consulting hydrogeologist in private practice, and he has 40 years experience in coal mining and mine hydrogeology. Prior to his current work, he's worked as a mine engineer and as a staff hydrogeologist for a major coal company. He holds a Bachelor of Science degree in geological engineering from Michigan Technological University. Prior to his work with trompe technology, Mr. Leavitt has studied the effects of longwall mining on domestic water supplies in Pennsylvania, mapped the extent of mining and mine flooding in the Pittsburgh coal, examined the potential use of mine water for power plant cooling, and the potential for in situ treatment of net alkaline mine water. Tim Danahy is the principal of Biomost Incorporated from Mars, Pennsylvania, a company he co-founded in 1998. Biomost is an environmental consulting and construction business. Project work includes design and installation of dozens of passive and active mine drainage treatment systems, as well as various environmental education and outreach efforts related to watershed restoration. In addition to developing innovative treatment technologies, including 4 patents and 1 patent pending, recent work has included utilization of mine drainage for both micro hydropower electrical production and passive air compression. Mr. Danahy has a degree in environmental science from Slippery Rock, and he began his service as a director of the nonprofit Stream Restoration Incorporated. Mr. Leavitt and Mr. Danahy's Biomost joined together in an effort to utilize trompe technology as part of acid mine drainage treatment, and they've worked together on several Pennsylvania projects using this technology. Today they'll inform us about the history of trompe technology, provide a primer on how and why it works, describe the current day projects where they put it to work, and its importance here in Pennsylvania. It's an interesting story, and I think it'll be a great presentation. Please welcome Bruce Leavitt and Tim Danahy. We invite them to blow their horn.